You know what it is? Bagging and tagging niggas. Toe tags, that is. It's a homicide, it's about to happen. This nigga false flagging, then he call himself rapping. It's a homicide, and it's finna happen. Nigga false flag, and he call himself rapping. Fuck that nigga talking about, he the fucking boss. He come to Indiana, nigga, he gon' take a loss. That nigga call himself Rick Ross, nigga, you ain't nothing but a loose animal from the zoo. You need to go back to county jail and do it again. You got your lyrics from them inmates in the fucking pen, where you was the motherfucking CEO, topping on these niggas' doors, listen, tracking all their flows. Then you come into the hood, wanna get a pass, but I don't give a fuck, I put you in your fat ass. Nigga, you should've thought about it, please. You never fuck over no real fucking GDs. We don't play that shit, even on Larry Hoover. I got some niggas that's 14 that'll do ya. Got some niggas little older that'll split your head. I got an old head to make sure your bitch ass dead. He got the things for you, and they real cheap. Them motherfuckers cost about 500 a piece. You can get them cause we open up your body quick. And I don't give a fuck, we'll set you up with a bitch. Put you in a hotel and she sucking you up. Next thing you know, you see them nines at your butt. Yeah, you see them nines at your fucking head praying, oh Lord, giving up the money dead. I don't give a fuck, you run them fucking red bottoms. I don't buy that shit, but if I want them, yeah, I got them. I can grab them anytime I want to, nigga. You might be the boss in Miami, but you ain't shit up here. In Indiana, we do this shit for real. We these niggas got these baby boys wanna kill. Not them baby boys like that nigga Jody. We talking about them baby boys that total about 2 or 3. Extra clips in each pocket cause we get it now. Yeah, we like to get it and we get it hard. Yeah, we get it on the block and we make a buck. And if you run up on these niggas, you can get stuck from behind through the neck and in the fucking chest. Nigga, you shoulda wore 2 Teflon vests. The Teflon Don, nah, nigga, you just lucky. You ran into some niggas that had a little money that put you up and got you on. Nigga, do your thing. Pay free, Ricky Ross, what you owe that name. Give him all the bread he's supposed to get and then some more. Cause I don't give a fuck, MMG, no. No MMG, no CCC, what you claim. You nigga always talking about how you gang bang. But all I know is that you did a little time in jail. But you was on the other side of the cell, doing everything you could just to make it, nigga. But I don't give a fuck, I'd rather been pulling triggers than telling niggas on the block what to do. I'm talking about the block on the cell, nigga, you's a fool. Then you came out and niggas always feel your flow. But I don't give a fuck, I don't listen no more. You disrespected for the last time, Ricky Ross. And if I ever see you nigga top knocked off, I got something to do with. Best believe, nigga, we known around town for busting triggers, even figure. If you wanna get at me, you can anytime. Just hit my line, nigga, I'm off. Nigga made me fuck up, but I came right back. Nigga, we can get it on for 50 racks. I guarantee that I win cause I'm touching you. And nigga, you don't know what the fuck I'll do. And the nigga testing me gon' get a lesson real fast. You better think about it, nigga, it's a hard task to knock me off my script cause I ain't going anytime. You wanna come against me, nigga, better have the mind of a killer cause I'm busting anything around me. And I don't give a fuck, I throw it up and I'm outie. 7-4 when I'm kicking through your fucking door, letting everybody know, nigga, I'm thrown. Keep a 9mm tucked in the back. I got a 357 as a matter of fact. That'll open up your skull to a first degree. You should've thought about it, nigga, before you fuck with me. This nigga Bone coming through with some shit for you. And I don't rap for a living, yeah, this is true. But best believe I've been in these streets a long time. And I don't give a fuck, nigga, yeah, I guess mine. Niggas talking shit, bring it to the table, and guaranteed, nigga, I'll run the whole stable. Everybody getting paid and we getting blunted. We running around, nigga, we don't get fronted. Everything we got it by our own time. And I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'll do my time. Bounce back on the block with a lot of shit, because the whole time, nigga, I'm stacking bricks in the closet and you'll never find them, because a nigga